I don't think he's ready to come in yet. What's going on, guys, and welcome back. Today I'm back out on the water, and I'm out here with two guys I've never fished with before, but they sent an open invite, and well, here I am. So yeah, this morning it was freezing getting out on the water. It was 38 degrees when we launched the kayaks, and it's already starting to warm up. It's about 9 o'clock now, so in about 2 hours I can definitely feel the difference. I'm layered up because it is still a bit chilly, and this morning it was brutally cold. But here we are. I'm hoping that the temperature continues to rise because it's still a little bit chilly. The water temperature right now is 53 degrees, so a little bit colder than normal. I am today going out to chase some redfish. Last week, I only caught the one during tournament day, so today is redemption day. It is time to go catch some good redfish, and that's the goal. So I'm out here. I haven't fished this spot very much. I've been here once or twice in the past, but it's time for a change of scenery. So here I am. We're gonna go catch some redfish. All right, we got one on. Got pulling a little bit of drag here. He's got a little bit of muscle to him. Guy fought a little bit. That's a good redfish there. Whew. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Caught on the down south lure, pearl and chartreuse. Love that color. Nice redfish there. Time to measure this guy. See what we're sitting at. And he is exactly 26. 26 on the dot. Real pretty redfish. Got a few spots on both sides. 6 spots total, that's cool. Good looking fish. All right, man, we'll let you go. Till next time. All right. Whew. Good way to start out the morning. Not too bad. Not too bad. So on this bank here, it is covered in oyster all the way down. And basically what we're doing here is fishing the edge of that oyster and picking up reds here and there. So we're gonna keep on doing that until it doesn't work anymore. But right now, you know, it seems to be working just fine. I just switched over to the popping cork. I was throwing just artificial by itself before. I didn't have any luck with that. Some of the other guys I'm with are doing just fine like that, but the popping cork worked for me. I always love it. So back to it. Let's see if we can't catch a few more. So yeah, only in Texas can you launch at 7 a.m. freezing cold, and by 11 o'clock, well, I am now sweating. It is so hot, but that is what Texas is about. I'm gonna have to start peeling some of these layers off because I am sweating, I am hot, and I don't know, maybe some of the fish have got my adrenaline pumping, my blood flowing, and but yeah, I'm burning up. So it's time to peel some layers and get back to fishing. All right, we got another one on. I don't think he's ready to come in yet. Another really nice redfish here. And he swallowed this one pretty good. Let's see if we can't do a little bit of minor surgery here, get this there we go, buddy. Again, on the pearl chartreuse, which that lure has pretty much had it. Definitely gonna have to swap that out. But another solid redfish here. Let's measure him and get him back in the water. And this one is actually 27. Man, these would be a perfect tournament day fish, you know, had I caught these last weekend. But, you know, it is what it is. And there he goes. So 26, 27. Good early morning fish.
Good tournament day fish.
That's what I said, man. Like, why couldn't this have happened last week during the tournament?
That's how it always goes.
Yeah. Last week we got a 26 and a 25. But yeah, these would be perfect tournament day fish. Plus they're real heavy.
Yeah.
They're super healthy fish. All right, guys. Well, we are headed back in. It seems like all the fish that we caught were within that 2 to 3 hour period of that tidal movement. And once the tidal movement stopped and changed, the bite turned off. So there's no point in us sitting around wasting the rest of the day when there's no bait movement, there's no water movement, and really, you know, we caught some great fish today. I ended up with 3 redfish, the smallest one being 23. I caught a 26 and a 27. I know the other guys caught just as many, if not more. So, yeah, all in all, it was a good day, but the entire good day happened within 1 to 2 hours, maybe 3. So, anyways, we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to go ahead and head back in. But yeah, that is why it's so important to get out onto the water before those big tidal changes, because if you don't, if you miss that tidal movement, you may be missing all of your fish for the day. So it is a lesson that I have learned many times in the past, and so I just don't make that mistake anymore. I make sure that I'm there before the tidal changes, and you know, that's really when I have the most success catching fish. And like always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment below, hit that bell notification so you know when I drop my next video. And yeah, we'll see you next time.